Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was tripping the breaker and it was leaking, and that was because pretty much the O-rings that are located in these two boilers were completely worn out and needed to be replaced, and that was causing a major leak pretty much in the whole components of the machine, and that was causing the breaker to trip. We also did a tune-up of this machine, descale the machine, replace the gasket, deep clean the steam one, and deep clean the portal filter. And now we're just gonna test the machine out. Starting with a shot of the steamer. As you can see, with water flow, with crema. And now the steamer. Working perfectly fine. And of course hot water, which is located right here. And just to test the grinder, let me just get another. I borrow another portal filter, and I know it doesn't have any beans because we definitely clean it, so but working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.